Okay, this is going to be a quick video and overview of my Bernina 217 Chandler. It's an industrial straight stitch and zigzag lock stitch sewing machine. It's got the industrial style bobbin winder on this side. It does have reverse. The zigzag is this lever you move back and forth. It's got a center, left and right needle position. I've installed a little bit different style foot. It's a super wide zigzag foot. It takes full advantage of the large feed dogs this machine has on it. This machine will use size 11 through 18 needles. It's basically a heavy-duty tailoring machine, and it's on an industrial table. It's got a clutch motor, which I have taken apart, cleaned the clutch, oiled the lever, set the brake position. This one runs at 1725 RPMs and has a fairly large pulley. If you think it's too quick for you, you can put a smaller pulley on, change out the belt and slow it down. And it has the knee lift right here. But as I'll show you in a moment, if you have a clean clutch motor, you can run the machine slowly. You don't have to go out and buy a servo motor. It's just learning how to control a foot pedal. Now, this is a super clean machine. If you look at the paint, there's a few chips on the front edge. And if you look at the post where the decal is, you see no wear whatsoever to the paint, which typically means this machine wasn't used that much. It's used, but it wasn't used a lot. Back here you've got the lever for the knee lift and the hand lever to lift the presser foot. Okay, and I've got a new, brand new 2-spool thread holder there. It's got the little post in the back so you can tip the machine back when you need to oil it up. And I'm going to get you on the tripod and show you the machine running. Okay, it's got a fairly quiet clutch motor on it. They all make a little bit of noise. This is a heavy piece of old naga hide here. And I've got the machine set on a fairly long stitch, straight stitch. And once you get used to the foot pedal, you can run the machine slowly. It's not a problem. And it does have reverse. I'm using a red thread on the black material, hopefully so you can see the quality of the stitches the machine makes. Now, I've gone through the entire machine. There's no internal belts in this machine. It uses a gear drive mechanism from the top to the bottom. There's three I call them grease pots in there, which surround the gears. I've taken all of those out, cleaned them out, put new synthetic grease in. I've adjusted the zigzag position on the machine so that when you set it on straight stitch, you're getting a straight stitch. And I've adjusted the tensioner release, so when you bring this up, Completely releases the thread so it comes out of there easily. Basically gone through the whole machine and checked everything. Timing is right on the money. Timing's real critical on these machines that make a super wide stitch, because if the timing is not in the correct position when you go to make a very wide stitch, it's going to be dropping stitches. This is the back pocket off a pair of Levi blue jeans. This is one layer of denim right here. I'll see if I can turn it around here. And now we're going to run right over the pocket area. A lot of people ask me, will it sew through heavy denim areas? And obviously it doesn't have a problem. And you can run the machine quickly once you get used to it. I don't know anybody personally that sews that fast, but then you can use the knee lift to lift it up. If you do lift it up back here, you can use the knee lift to disengage it and bring it back down. There's the zigzag on the back, zigzag on the front. The machine will come with the original booklet, Bernina 217, and it'll come with some extra bobbins and stuff, and extra bobbins, straight stitch foot, and a zipper foot with the edge guide. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching my video.